Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing some box braids in my hair, but I'm going to be focusing more on parting my hair since a lot of you guys have been asking me for parting tutorial videos. I just finished washing my hair and blow drying it, so it's very much ready for this tutorial that we're getting into. I'm going to be using this braider band today because I want to be able to get to the gym easily. So I'm going to put it on my arm, and I told you guys that I'm going to do a giveaway and give y'all some, braider bands. I've already selected my winners and I will let you know by the end of the video. This is the jam/gel that I'm going to be using today. It's also from BTL as well as the Braiders Band. And here I am showing you guys the gel on top of the Braiders Band. I'm starting off by taking out a section in the back, going from the top of one ear to the other. I then apply some gel on it and then I go back over it with the comb. I'm holding this section away with a hair tie while I go and work on the other parts of my hair. Now I'm going to take off the section in the front and I'm going to be going from a little bit behind one of my ear to the other one. And now I'm going to go ahead and hold the middle section away with a hair tie. Now for this section in the front, I'm going to part it down the middle. As I did before, I'm going to add some jam on it and then go back over it with the comb. For this section in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and divide it in two. Now in the back, I have three sections, which I'm going to divide all three of them into, and that's going to leave me with 6 rows in the back. And this is what it looks like after I did that. Any questions? I hope you guys are getting the full understanding of what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to move on to the front and split it up just the same. First, I'm going to split each section in two like you see me doing right now. And as I part them off, I'm going to hold them away in some hair ties. Now I'm going to go ahead and split all these sections in two again, and that's going to leave me with 4 rows on each side with a total of 8 in the front. And I'm all done with making my sections in the front, and I'm just showing you guys all 8 rows, parted off. And also here's a look at the back. So now I'm ready to go in and start my braids. So for the first row, I'm going to divide it in 2, and as soon as I do that, I'm going to put my braids in instead of, parting out all the braid sections and put rubber bands on it, because I feel like that's harder. So as I go along, I'm going to just put the braids in. So I'm going to show you guys how I grip the root. As you can see, I use my pointing finger and thumb finger to hold on to my hair with the extension in my hand, and then I use my pointing finger to section it as I braid it. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how I hold the hair before I start it, because a lot of people been telling me that they can't get it, so I try my best again to show you guys in this video how I do that. As you can see here, while I'm braiding my hair, I take gel from the Braiders Band and I apply it on, and this is gonna help my hair to blend in seamlessly with the synthetic hair. Now that I've braided the hair far enough down from the root, I'm gonna move my arm around on the other side and grab the hair and finish braiding it down. So here, you want to split the hair with one side bigger than the other, then loop them around each other just like so. Now I'm going to put my pointing and middle finger from the back and through those 2 pieces that's hanging. Then the piece that I'm holding in my left hand, I'm gonna put it down in between my pointing and middle finger, and that's it. Now from here on, all you're gonna do is twist your arm around to point your fingers away from you, and that's how you're gonna hold it here to start the braids. Now it doesn't matter how much of your hair goes into the section of the synthetic hair. You could put all of it, or you could split it into pieces, just as long as you start braiding it in and, you know, section the synthetic hair with your pointing finger. That's the most important part. I'm now up to the second row, and this row I'm going to section it in 3. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys again another close-up of me gripping the root. I'm also going to show you guys again how I place the hair between my fingers to start off my braid. So you want to place your pointing and middle finger between the 2 pieces of hair that's hanging, and then the piece that I'm holding in my left hand, I'm going to pull it through my pointing and middle finger. Now I'm going to twist my arm with my fingers pointing away from me, and then it's all ready to go in my hair. Okay guys, I've finished the 3rd row and did 4 braids in it, and the row up after that I'm gonna also do 4 braids. Now for the row after that, which is the 5th row, I'm gonna split it in 3. And for the final row in the back, I'm gonna go ahead and split that one in 2. Now I'm gonna go ahead and braid the final one in the back before moving on to the front. Okay, now we're all done with the back. Now it's time to move on to the front. So in the front, for the first 3 rows, I'm gonna split them in 2. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. So this is the hair that I've been using. It has no name on it. This is the reason why I never showed it to you guys earlier. I've used 3 packs already. This is the 4th pack, and I'm gonna go ahead and start the front section that you see me holding on to right here. So these 2 rows that I have left in the front, I'm gonna separate them in 3. And now I'm gonna go ahead and braid them. I'm all done installing the braids. It's time to go ahead and finish the ends. As you can see, I wasn't doing the ends because it takes so much longer to do it while I'm installing the braids, so I like to do it afterwards. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil onto my scalp, and the oil I'm using today is from BTL. You guys see me use it all the time. This is an important step, and I really don't like skipping this because I like to take care of my scalp whenever I get my box braids. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some foam wrap lotion, and this is also from BTL. This is going to take care of the flyaway hairs and make it look more freshly done. I also dip the ends in hot water just to make it sleeker, straighter, you know what I'm saying, and prevent them from coming out. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges using my edge control from Edge Effect, and this will be the last thing I do to this hairstyle to finish it off. Now I'm all done with the hair. I'm gonna go do my makeup and change into something different, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. This is it, guys. I really didn't do that much with the hair, and I actually do regret not adding some hair jewelry to it. I feel like that would have spiced it up, jazz it up a little bit more. The hair is light and easy to manage just because I did not add a lot into it, which is something I could have done, but I want it to be like this so I could easily put it in a ponytail or put it up in a bun, you know what I'm saying, without too much hassle of, trying to hold all that hair together. The length of the hair is 30 inches, and as you can see here, it was so easy for me to just pull it back in a ponytail and grip all of it in one of my hands. I hope this parting method was easy for you guys to understand, and I hope it will help you with, parting your hair for your box braids. I'm also hoping that now you don't have too much problem gripping the roots and you got a better understanding of doing so. But if you do have any question, leave them down below. I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. Remember to use my code when you shop on BTL website for any of their hair products. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! These are the 3 winners for the BTL bands. Please send me an email from this account which you use to enter so I can get your information to send you your gift. My email address will be in the description box. Congratulations and thank you again everyone that entered.